Sir, I am in my room. She is in her room.
Pongte, Saleha, they are coming. Ruhan, you are giving us flash of light.
No, sir.
What?
Sir, sir, sunlight does not come in my room, so I on light.
Okay. Sunlight does not come to your room. You are in,
Yes, sir.
you are in dark, so
Yes, sir. So I
you
on light.
you have electricity in your house.
Yes, sir.
So why you are using table lamp? You are using table lamp.
Sir, it is not devil lamp. It is light.
Okay,
It's a light.
okay, light on your head. Okay,
Yes,
I
sir.
understand
And
now.
it looks like a sun.
Yes, I first thought that it is coming from this side. Okay, let's start, right?
Sir, did you
Yes,
get
sir.
my email?
I gave you reply, Saleha. Did you get my reply?
No, sir.
Now you can check.
Sir, sir, Gmail.
The mail you sent me, which one that? That one I gave the reply. Once I see the email, I give the reply, right, Pumki?
Yes,
Yes, sir,
sir.
you gave me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Pumki, you also got my reply, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So today we will discuss that one, huh, at last. And at the beginning, we'll try to finish two questions left. Then we'll discuss the graph again. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So question 1 and 2 we discussed, right? Yesterday we
Yes,
discussed
sir.
Yes,
question
sir.
1. They who missed the class, you please go through the recording, then you can understand.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, now look, question number 3 we are discussing. Huh? Can you see the screen? Question 3 and 4. Hmm. How many of you tried question 3 and 4?
So I tried to
Sir,
complete
I
three
couldn't do question 3 and 4.
into
Yes, sir, me too.
Yes, sir. Me too.
Okay, so Saleha, Ruhi, then Ruhan, they tried. Amjit, Miss Ruhan, he also tried. Now, can Ruhi you read question 3?
Okay, sir. It takes a driver 10 minutes to get to work. She stops to buy a paper on the way. Has a set of traffic lights on her road and a short section of motorway. Sketch a typical speed time graph for her journey and don't let her break any speed limits. 1 meter per second is about 2 meter per hour.
2 mile per hour. Huh? 1 meter per second is about 2 miles per hour. Okay, it takes a driver 10 minutes to get to work. Okay, she stops to buy a paper on the way, has a set of traffic lights. on her road and a short section of motorway. Sketch typical speed time graph for her journey and don't let her break any speed limit. So, how you did it?
Sir,
Ruhi,
Sir, I
how
couldn't do it.
you
Sir, I
couldn't do
couldn't
it?
do it.
sir, I couldn't do
Yes,
it.
sir.
Saleh also couldn't do it. Then who could do it?
Sir, we too could not do it.
Sir,
Ruhan
we were
also
doing
couldn't.
the graph paper.
Not needed to draw in graph paper. Just you can do
Yes,
freehand.
sir.
This
Yes,
one,
sir. Yes,
freehand
sir.
sketch you can do.
Yes, sir.
Then what about question 4? Did you try that one?
No,
Sir, we
sir.
could not
I
do.
couldn't do it too.
But tried but could not do.
Yes, sir. Me too.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this one, can you read question number 4?
Sir,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
I tried, but I couldn't do it.
it's okay, it's okay. Very good. You tried. Now question number 4. Ruhi, can you continue question number 4?
Okay, sir. An ice skater skates once round an oval ring. He accelerates down the length of the ring, but takes the ends more slowly. He falls over once. Sketch a speed time graph for him.
Okay, so here the ice skater skates once round an oval rink. Hmm. He accelerates down the length of the rink but takes the ends more slowly. You know ice skater?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
But person who skates once.
okay, skating, right?
Yes,
Ice
sir.
skating, right?
Yes, sir.
So the ends more slowly. That means at the end of the oval ring, he's going slowly. That means he's retarding, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Retardation.
Yeah, retardation. And at the beginning, he accelerates. At the beginning, he accelerates, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so he will, uh, he is accelerating and suddenly he is going to retardation, or there will be some other things takes place before slowing down, before retarding. The acceleration first decreases, right?
Yes,
Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
sir.
And after acceleration decreases, then he is slowing down, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And he falls over once. Uh, that means if he is falling over, then what happens? He is stopped, right? If sound, if someone is falling, right? He falls over once. That means he is stopped, right?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
so that one you have to draw, right? If he falls, that means after slowing down, he will fall, right?
Yes,
Hmm.
sir.
And during falling, his speed will be 0. So we can try, right? We can try question number 4.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
what about others? They who are not talking, what about others?
Yep.
Like there is Pongti. Pongti, did you try question 4?
No, sir.
You did not try. So can you guess how to draw question number 4? Could you make the idea in your brain? Did you make a plan how to draw it? If it is accelerating, then what will be the shape? They did not say it is accelerating constantly, right? They did not say it is accelerating constantly.
Sir,
They
I'm
only
still confused with this question because they, I mean, they, the skater is accelerating and then it goes down.
Mhm. Listen, like
I'm
uh,
confused with this.
if uh, if you think that you are in a higher place, right? It is saying it is an oval rink, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
you will go down. So at the beginning, of course, when he is,
Sir,
yeah, tell me.
sir, in CD2, will would give us to, draw the graph?
What the graph you are asking? Question number 1.
Yes, sir. Do we need to draw graphs in? No, sir. Do we need to draw graphs in our CD2 as well?
Yeah, you have to.
Okay.
You will
Sir,
you will draw the graph and you will upload the graph. Okay?
you will give graph related question in CT2.
Yes, yes, I will. I will give.
Okay, sir.
I will give you the graph related question. So, Punkti, about question 4, could you go more forward? Like, make the idea here. Yes, Punkti, Punkti.
Uh,
Punkti, you said that you couldn't
sir,
understand how
I
he is
can.
accelerating. How he is accelerating, you couldn't understand. Look, when he starts, uh, he was stationary, right? He was in
Yes,
rest.
sir.
He was in rest. So he was in rest. That means initial speed is 0, right?
Yes, sir.
We are talking about question 4 now, huh? Then we'll go to question 3. Question 4 we are
Sir,
doing.
but how can we draw the graph like by
Yeah,
reading this
yeah.
question? I mean, how
You
would I
first
understand
So,
that?
will you
What
put the
is
graph or do we
the
need
length
to
of
listen.
the
draw
ring?
the graph?
Listen. You first told me one thing, that is you don't understand how he is accelerating. That's why
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
that's why I'm trying to make you understand that he is accelerating. After that, I will go to the graph.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So his
Okay, sir.
initial speed was 0. Okay. If his initial speed is 0 and after that he gets some speed, that means he was accelerated, right? For a while. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Do you
Ma'am, may you
agree?
repeat again?
Punkti, do you agree? If you are going down to any place, then you are falling with gravity, right? Isn't it? Due to
Yes,
the
sir.
pull of earth, you are falling down. That's why the acceleration of free fall, that is g 10 meter per second square. We will understand it later when we will discuss mass, weight, density, and acceleration of free fall, there is one topic we are going to discuss. That time you will understand it more, okay? But at least you understand that earth is pulling us, right? Towards its center. So when the skater is going through the oval ring downwards, accelerates
Yes,
down,
sir.
and his speed will increase, right?
Yes,
His,
sir.
his speed was 0 before, now his speed is more. So we can understand he accelerates, right? Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Then he gains speed. Can you write it? The description I'm writing, you can also write it so that you can make the graph in your mind. Okay, you can try it. Initial speed was 0, then he gains speed. Okay, he gains speed,
Yes, sir.
that is acceleration.
Yes, sir.
Acceleration. So you write this, huh? You write, please, everyone.
Okay, sir.
And after writing this, you understand that with any surface, if anything is have friction, right? With any
Yes,
surface, if there is friction, then it slows down, right? At the beginning he accelerates, but as his speed is increasing, the frictional force also increases. It's like when you are running with more speed, that time you will feel that air resistance is working more against you, right? Isn't it?
yes, sir.
So when the skater increases his speed, he also feels the resistance or the frictional force from the ground, right? From the ice. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
No,
And,
sir.
and because of this, there is slowing down. And finally, he falls over. That means he is stopped. So we will now draw that one, okay? We will draw it now. We will help you to draw it now. Please try it, everyone. First, we will not give any value. Just we will draw randomly, okay? Uh, where I can draw on the screen so that you can see properly. Here, right? Um, I'm trying to show you in short. Here we have its speed time graph. VP. Okay, at the beginning there is acceleration. At the beginning, here is acceleration. That acceleration is from acceleration of free fall. So for a while we are getting this acceleration, uh, constant acceleration, because at the beginning the frictional force does not work that much. At the beginning we will get the constant acceleration because we are falling with the ice skater is falling with the acceleration due to gravity. So that one we are showing. Then what will happen after that? Frictional force starts working and then his acceleration decreases. Okay, and afterwards the acceleration is no more. Whenever he is reaching here, there is slowing down. Slowing down means retardation, like this. Okay, slowing down. Look, with time the speed is decreasing. and at one point he falls and the speed becomes 0. Okay, at this point he falls and its speed becomes 0. I'm showing you. Look, this one is straight goes to the this line. Is it clear? So,
Yes, sir.
do you understand the graph? Here, acceleration is constant, this part. Then acceleration decreases. Then speed decreases or deceleration, retardation. I'm
But
labeling.
there is no certain number, right, in this graph.
No number, no number. You do
We
not
only need
need.
to draw it like this.
Yeah, do not give any number. Just freehand. Randomly you will give the sketch, just
Okay,
giving the
sir.
overall idea. This is acceleration, constant acceleration you label. This one you will give acceleration decreases. This one you give retardation or slowing down. Then false or stop. Okay, I'm labeling also in
Hello,
text.
sir.
Yes, I'm writing. You write also. Huh? Here it is constant acceleration.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, after writing the answer, what will we do?
After writing answer,
Sir, I mean the part you wrote the answer of question number 4,
yes.
4 apart. Now what will we write? From where?
Okay, you wrote this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, after writing, you will draw the graph because they told us to draw the
Okay,
graph.
sir.
I'm drawing the graph, you draw this graph. This writing I
Okay, sir.
gave, this writing is not necessary here, only the
Yes,
graph
sir.
is necessary. But for your understanding, I gave this. Is it clear?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Now, acceleration decreases. Listen, this part, question number 4, 3, these are really tough for you. For your level, like class 7, it is really a tough question. That's why I will not give you this type of questions. You only get prepared on question number 1 and 2, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir.
But I'm just explaining you how to get it, okay? These are actually O-level pattern questions. So
Yes.
this is very tough for you. Question number 3 and 4, really tough for you. Slowing
Yes, sir.
down. Yeah, this is retardation. Retardation or slowing down, huh? This part is retardation or slowing down. Then we have the last part, huh? This one. This part I am again labeling, otherwise you will not understand. Here, this part, huh? So this part is he falls over. Falls over or stop. Okay? Is it clear? Hello, are you clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so today we will not discuss question 3 and we will now focus in question number 1 again, okay? Because some of you were not present yesterday, and two students, they submitted their work. I will also discuss on their one. Okay, so when we'll discuss on their work, then I think they who did not do it, they who did not submit yet, or who were absent yesterday, will also get some idea, right? Will it be good for you? So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay, that one I am doing now. Question number one, again we are doing, so that if the similar question is coming in the test, you can answer. Okay, you can answer with confidence. So are you done with this? Question number
Sir,
four.
All done.
Okay, can we go to question
sir,
number one?
Mm-hmm.
sir,
Yes, yes.
sir, do we need to draw the graph or you will give the graph in the city?
You manage one graph paper, huh? Then you will draw the graph, and there will be one part where you have to upload the graph.
Sir, but we don't have graph paper.
I have 2 or 3 graph paper.
Okay, you
I have
you
a graph
Sir,
copy.
we have no graph paper.
you can you please
Sir, we
manage?
have.
Listen,
Sir, we
you
have.
it's very easy to manage, huh?
Yes,
Ruhan,
Yes,
sir, we
sir.
have.
beside your house, any stationery shop you go, you just tell them, give me one A4 graph paper. Okay, it
Okay,
is
sir.
only 1 taka or 2 taka. The better one is two
Okay,
Ah,
sir.
taka,
one
and
page
the
is
low
1 taka.
low quality one is only 1 taka. Okay,
Sir, size. Sir, size.
I told you
A4.
A4 size, A4.
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 Yes,
Okay, sir.
is it clear?
Okay, sir.
আচ্ছা স্যার
I
এতবার
Okay,
গ্রাফ
sir.
পেপারটা না
I
ইউজ মানে ওটাকে অল্প একটু ছোট
you
করে
do
কেটে
not
মানে
need so much. Only you buy only two graph papers. Okay, so that if one is mistake, then you can draw with another one. Is it clear? Or at home you practice with one, then another one you use in exam.
Okay, sir.
Is it
Okay,
clear?
sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
ক্লিয়ার
So can we
Okay,
go
sir.
to now question
Okay,
one?
sir.
ইয়েস স্যার
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, we are going with the homework submitted by Pongti and Saleha. Look, they both submitted yesterday. Uh, First, I go with Saleha's one. Okay, as she submitted first. This is Saleha's one. Okay, this is Saleha's one. Okay, Saleha, are you there?
No, sir.
Saleha is not there.
No, sir.
স্যার
Okay, okay, then uh, I'm going to Pong this one first. Huh? If she comes, then we'll continue her one. Look, Pongti, you gave your email the information that your graph is so big, right? And that's why you
Sir,
gave,
yes, sir. The size
and
is
that's
very big.
why, listen, your graph is so big and you can manage it, no problem. Here you got
একাকি
uh, how many how many squares you got? Can you tell me? Like I am saying square from 0 to 10, right? It is one
Yes, sir.
square. You took one square. Now I am saying how many
Yes,
squares you
sir.
have here? Can you count over there?
So if I take two, because then like I have problems, I'm confused. I mean, it's really a burden.
Look,
I can't calculate properly if I give two boxes space.
yeah, listen. It is very simple. If here you are taking 10, uh, then you are getting each of the smallest square is 1, right? Isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But if you are taking this part only 5, then what will happen? 2 small square is 1. Is it clear?
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Yes,
this
sir.
one you can do. Then your graph will be more, clear, and we can understand it easily, right?
Yes,
It's
sir.
clear to you. And also for the time one, you can do it. If you check that in your time axis or the x-axis, you have 20 squares like this one. You have to here one. So you try here that 2 squares you are taking 1. Then your graph will be double bigger. Is it clear, Pongti? Hello?
Yes, sir.
This way you can do even more bigger you can do here. Like that's why I am saying you how many. I wanted to see your whole graph paper so that I could make a plan. Now you only gave only a small part of your graph paper.
Sir, my one says 20 centimeter into 25 centimeter.
Okay, great,
Micro.
great, great, great. So this one x-axis you are getting 20 small squares, and here you are getting 25, right? This one, isn't it? The y-axis
Sir,
one.
I could fit my one perfectly.
Yeah, that one you can do. Like if you have 25 here, then you can go till 24, because we know 4 6 are 24, right? You are
Yes,
going
sir.
to have here 60. So 4 small squares you can take as 10. Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
if your 4 squares is 10, that means 40 smallest square is making your 10, isn't it? Then your 4 smallest square is making 1. You count that way,
Yes, sir.
then your graph will be bigger and it is a nice one. Okay, the whole graph will see your sketch, your drawing, and it looks really nice. Is it clear now, Punkti? Hello, hello.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay, you are clear. So you try this way, huh? I think you will be able to do it again. If you do again, then it will be a good practice for also you, right? Isn't it? Hello,
Yes,
Pongti.
sir.
Do it
Sir.
again, please, with the idea I gave you. Then all of you understood the idea, right?
Okay, sir.
So can you please give me uh, the question number 1 and 2 together? Already you gave me page number 21 questions. Now I want question 1 and 2 as assignment. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Uh, Not today you will submit. You will submit by Saturday. On Sunday you have the test, right?
Yes, sir.
So you are getting plenty of time now before the test. So
Okay,
I
sir.
am giving you the deadline to submit the assignment to by Saturday night. Okay, before the test. Is it clear? And
Yes, sir.
Yes,
they
sir.
they who did not submit the assignment one even, you can also submit by Saturday. Okay, it is your last chance. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you have any more questions, you can ask me. Now it's your turn.
No, sir.
You have
No, sir.
anything to ask about the test paper, you can ask me. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
So we have the test on section 2.01 and 2.02. 2.01, 2.02, all the things we discussed. 2.01, we discussed all the question answers from page 21. Recordings are available, right? All the recordings
Yes,
are
sir.
available. You can go through the recordings. You can get the solution over there. Then also question number 1 and 2 from page 23 we discussed. Yesterday we discussed question 1. Today again also we discussed little bit. Then day before yesterday, not day before yesterday, maybe on Sunday, right? Sunday we discussed question number 2, right? From page 23, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So we did all the things. And question 3, 4 will not come in your test, okay? Only question number 4 we gave you today discussion so that you can understand something more, right? Some extra things you understood. Okay, that's all
Okay,
for
sir.
today. That's all for today.
Okay, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you for
Okay,
joining.
sir.
Allah,
Okay, sir.
sir.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Assalamu alaikum,
Best of
sir.
luck. Best of
Bye
luck.
bye, sir.